What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I got a special package in from Trolli. I'm sure you guys all know Trolli. They're the people who make the Sour Brite worms and those Sour Brite candies that we all eat way too many of. For me in college, they were my late night snack because obviously when you go to college, you're leaving home for the first time and you can pretty much do whatever you want. So for me, that was eating way too much gummy candy. So thank you so much to Trolli for sending over this package and I'm sure feeding my sweet tooth. So why don't we open this guy up and see what we have. So I'm guessing from the size of this package that there's probably no sneakers inside, but there is a Sour Brite Sneakers tag on the front with what looks like the sole of a shoe. And then on the front you've got Trolli's logo and then Sneaker Freak, Seth Fowler. So apparently I'm a sneaker freak. That's fair, I agree. So here we go. So it looks like this box is for the James Harden Trolli Sour Brite Sneaks. That's pretty cool. You've got some verbiage up at the top that says, "Yo, it's me, Beardo himself, James Harden. It seems the internet has deemed you a sneaker fanatic. I'm offering you an exclusive sneak peek of my new Trolli Sour Brite Sneaks." Pun intended. Yeah, okay. And while these little kicks will add some flavor to whatever you're wearing, I thought I'd hook you up with something a little bit more tailor-made for your taste. This hoodie, ball, and tube socks will have you styling with itty-bitty bravado. Now get out your camera and have fun. Trolli #Sour Sneaks have officially dropped. James Harden. Well, okay. That's pretty cool. So inside the box, you've got a couple mini goodies, like this little basketball, bouncy ball thing. Does it bounce? Yeah, not bad. You've also got this Trolli jacket, or hoodie. Now I don't think they got me the right size, I'm gonna be honest. And I'm not being rude, I just don't think it'll fit. But you know what, I appreciate the gesture. This is a little weirdly awesome, to say the least. There you go, little finger man. We have some James Harden socks, proportionally a little long for I think the size of the foot. Also, again, don't know if I could fit these. Also some little Trolli stickers, rad adhesives, and then what looks like a little shoebox actually. Maybe I was wrong, maybe there is a pair of sneakers in here. So you've got this Trolli shoebox. It looks like it has James Harden's signature on the front, and inside you've got mini sneakers. Nice. If you didn't believe me, there you go. It's a little pack of the strawberry blackberry sneakers. That's awesome. Inside the box, it also has the date of the Sour Brite Sneaks drop, which is March 5th, 2018, exclusively at 7-Eleven. I don't think you'll be getting the special box, but you will get a pack of a whole bunch of sneakers, so you can ball to your heart's content or eat them, whatever, no big deal. I didn't realize, but these are actually little mini versions of the Harden 2s. That's really funny. So if you're trying to grab a pack of the Trolli Sour Brite Sneaks, they're available at 7-Eleven through the end of April. But you know what, because this is technically a pair of sneakers, and this is a sneaker review channel, I feel like I should review these, right? Really quick. I'm really hungry though, so I'm gonna have to break open a pair. Wow. I love sour candy, it's the best. Inside the bag, you've got the lime raspberry, lemon blueberry punch, and strawberry blackberry. Wow, these were really good. I really have to get back to filming this video. I don't know what I'm doing. So jumping right into the sneaker itself, you've got this split upper. The front half is strawberry, the black half is blackberry. The entire upper is covered in this sort of sour, or I guess sugar coating, which is a little interesting. It kind of comes off really easily. So that's my one concern when you're playing basketball, is that if you start to get like sugar all over the basketball court, that could cause problems when it comes to traction, but we'll have to try these guys out and see how they work out. As you could probably tell, this is a one-piece booty construction. There isn't any laces or honestly any kind of area to put your foot in. Usually most sneakers utilize materials like leather or mesh or things like that. This particular pair utilizes a gummy upper, which I've got to admit does feel good to the touch. I'm not sure how good it's going to feel on foot and how durable it's going to be, but to be honest, it does look good, and I'm probably just going to wear these shoes for lifestyle wear as it is. Moving up the shoe to the tongue, there aren't any laces to speak of. It's kind of just a slide-on fit. Not only that, but unlike most sneakers, there isn't actually any branding on the shoe itself. It's all on the box and the packaging of the sneaker. That's one thing I really like about this sneaker. Because it's unbranded, you kind of have to be in the know when you see people rocking this shoe. So if you see someone rocking these and you call them out and say, "Yo, I like your Sour Brite Sneaks," they're gonna be like, "Yo, that's dope, that's awesome, you knew what I was rocking," and you know, more street cred for you. One big concern for me, and I know a lot of you guys always point this out as something that I always say about sneakers, but this shoe is really hard to get on your foot. And that's because the ankle area honestly is so small. And even though I got the one size fit all shoe, it doesn't actually get on my foot very easily. In fact, I still haven't been able to get the shoe on my foot. That could be a problem because this is a sneaker and it's technically meant to go on your foot, but you know, again, it's a lifestyle shoe. It might even just look good sitting on a shelf. As for fit, the James Harden Trolli Sour Brite sneakers don't really fit true to size. They come in a one size fit all, which works for some people. I would say people probably about the size of like 6 inches to 8 inches, which does seem to be a little short. but some people are able to rock these. A friend of mine, Joe, is actually in the military and he can fit these really well. Moving back on the sneaker to the midfoot, you do have that flavor transition that I mentioned before from strawberry to blackberry. Not really something you'll notice on foot, but it's a cool design feature nonetheless. And then moving around to the back of the sneaker, there isn't any pull tab. They're just kind of like a nub that you can use to pull the shoe onto your foot. Again, difficult to get on your foot. I can't stress that enough, but moving down the shoe to the midsole and outsole, they're actually constructed of the same material as the upper. This really looks like it's like a 3 material construction. You've got your strawberry flavor, your blackberry flavor, and then your sugar or sour coating. To be honest, it has been getting on my hands all throughout the review, which is something that may bother some people, especially on foot. You may have to wear socks with this. But cushioning wise, it does feel very, very soft to the touch, and it should offer some decent impact protection if you have small enough feet. For someone like me, I found that it compresses a little too much when I land on my heel, so that could be a problem. But again, that's probably my foot size. Finally, moving to the bottom of the sneaker, you have more of that strawberry and blackberry outsole. Again, traction is very minimal, if non-existent. In fact, you will actually lose parts of the shoe when you're playing on the court, which could be a problem. Durability is definitely an issue. But overall, the James Harden Trolli Sour Brite sneakers are not a bad shoe. Even though the shoe doesn't fit on my foot and doesn't actually provide a lot of comfort, the main saving grace is that it looks good, so for lifestyle wear, you're good to go. Not only that, the price point of these guys is like 100 times less than any other sneaker on the market. If you're trying to grab a pair of these for yourself, they did release at 7-Eleven on March 5th, and they will be available through the end of April, so go pick up a pair there if you're looking for them. Now that we've got the review out of the way, let's throw these guys on feet and see how they look. That pretty much wraps up the video for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know what you think of the James Harden Trolli Sour Brite sneakers. Thank you again to Trolli for sending out this awesome package and also for sending out a pair of real James Harden Volume 2s. A review will be coming soon. And as always, guys, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys in the next one.